I just received the Yaber massager, the massage gun. Came in this very nice case. Protects it well. Open it up. There's the massager in there with the accessories. Has some documentation. Really nice case. Real quality. The netting. I mean, what I care about most is this, but the presentation. You can see they care about the product. Really high quality presentation. There's some of the accessories in here. You can see the charging cable. These are different massage heads, I'm guessing. I'm just starting to look at it. I'll find out what it is when I read up on it. These seem to be different accessories for it, for different type of massages. This one's softer. This one looks like a pinpoint. So I'm gonna get two areas at once. Here's the actual massage gun. Oh, it has good weight to it. It's pretty heavy. The handle on it, where you insert the accessories. Really good, nice quality feel to it. Here's the cable. First thing I took out was this USB-C cable, which is awesome. The new modern USB. It's the best kind of cable you want. And take a look at the manual. It came with a nice big manual here. Explain to you what each thing is. The actual massager, the charger, the case that it's in, and the different parts like this right here. They call this the U-shaped head. They're all different heads for different types of massages. Here's the spherical one. Tells you what kind of muscle groups each one's for, which is awesome. Here's the air cushion soft head. You can see how it's squishy. This one it says is nice for skin sensitive muscles or first time users if you don't want to get too hard of a massage. And the bullet head. This one's hard plastic. That one's for deep muscles such as tendons in the soles of your feet. What did they say this one was for here? Arms, hips, and legs. This is like a foam ball, but it's pretty hard. Not as hard as the hard plastic. And then this one's hard plastic again. This one's suitable for the sides of the spine. So that's why it has two of these, so your spine's in the middle. And this will massage around it without hitting the middle of your spine. I'll tell you how to use it, how to put the heads in there. You just push it in, give it a spin. Once you do that, you turn this, and you can go from 1 to 4th gear. Higher the gear, the faster it goes. It'll be a tougher, a harder massage at the higher speed. If you want less power, you leave it on the 1st gear. And that's it. When you finish, you go counterclockwise and pull the head out. This explains all the other troubleshooting and all the other things that you would need in a manual. Really nice. There you go on the bottom. That's the USB-C port for charging. And this will tell you when it's charging, this lights up. This will tell you the battery level up to level 4. I'll look at that right now. Okay, we've plugged in the USB-C charger here. And this is what it looks like when it's charging up. You see that means it's charging. It's at level 2. There are 4 levels. When it reaches the 4th level here, it'll be time to use it. Alright, you can see how the massager works. This is the softer attachment on it. I use it on my leg. See, it has great power to it. Look at how your muscles and stuff move when you apply this with barely any pressure down. You can use this on legs, arms. Really good. You can use it on your lower leg, calf muscles. This is on the lowest power setting. Feels great. Really good massager. Best one I've ever had for sure. Wonderful power in it. And I'm going to turn the power up to another level so you can see the difference. Okay, I turned it up to the highest power level and you can hear the difference. And look how fast the head on the thing moves. The professional quality massager. You can see the battery level, and out of the back you can feel air coming out of the back. I guess that's to keep it cooling, and this really gives you a massage at this level. Really awesome. I love this massager. If you're looking for one that can give you the quality massage that you get at something like a masseuse or doctor's office, this feels like it has the power of a really professional massager. Taking a look here at on one of the other heads on here. This one to the bottom of your feet and areas like that. Each one of the heads on the massagers for different parts of the body. This feels great for sore feet. This is good for deep tissue as well. I'm trying on my feet. Feels great on here. Really nice. The amount of power that this has is just right, because you can adjust it from power level 1 up to 4. If this isn't enough, you can power it up further, but this feels good at this level for me right now. Awesome massage. Right here, you can really feel it in my heel. I had a little soreness here. And it's getting right into that. It's great. Alright, I'm using the back head on here. You see it's supposed to go around your spine, so it has the 2-fork design. You're supposed to be able to go up and down like this. See how it works. You can see the skin. Just to massage the back, just like that. And this is the last massage head, the round one. You can use it like this on shoulders, arms, legs, on muscles like this, sore areas. So this massager has great power. It's versatile. You have all the different heads to put on it for different areas of the body. It's great that it's rechargeable like this. You can massage for, I think it's about 5 hours total of run time, which is plenty. Then you just plug it in again right here, USB-C, and good to go again. Really great massager.